Kuchar High Performance Combine Parts will be on site during the Indiana Farm Equipment and Technology Expo, December 14, 15, and 16. Visit with George at booth number 319 and see how he has been helping farmers make more money per acre for over 37 years.
I am George Kuchar, inventor of Kuchar Combine Parts.
Kuchar High Performance Combine Parts has been in business since 1983, improving the efficiency of any size or brand combine worldwide. After the installation of Kuchar parts, you'll realize less separator hours, better fuel economy, and increased machine efficiency. You'll find less grain on the ground and a better grain sample in the hopper.
If you put my parts in your combine, I'll guarantee you that you will love the results.
Visit with George and realize the difference Kuchar High Performance Combine Parts can make on your farm. The Indiana Farm Equipment and Technology Expo, booth number 319 in the Grand Park Sports Arena in Westfield, December 14, 15, and 16. Kuchar High Performance Combine Parts.